Understanding, stand the test in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, stand the test. It's a phrase you might hear in various contexts, and understanding it can really enrich your grasp of the English language. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Remember, context and usage are key. The phrase, stand the test, originates from the idea of withstanding challenges or scrutiny over time. To stand the test means to remain useful, true, or valuable after being tested or tried in some way. It's often used to describe concepts, materials, relationships, or even beliefs that have proven to be enduring or reliable. Let's see how stand the test is used in various sentences. 1. Historical reliability. The theory has stood the test of time, remaining relevant even after decades of research. 2. Relationships. Their friendship has stood the test of many hardships and separations. 3. Product durability. This brand of watches is known to stand the test of rigorous use. By understanding these examples, you can start to see how versatile this phrase is. It's important not to confuse stand the test with simply surviving or existing over time. The phrase implies not just endurance but also maintaining quality, reliability, or truth over time. So, something that merely exists for a long time without proving its worth or integrity doesn't necessarily stand the test. And there you have it. Stand the test is a phrase that you can now confidently use in your English conversations. It's a great way to describe something's lasting value or reliability. We hope this explanation helps you in your English language learning journey. Stay curious and keep exploring the richness of the English language.